two major insurance giants, Humana and Aetna, go head-to-head, but when it comes down to value, service, and coverage, which one really delivers? On one side, you have Humana, known for its broad range of health plans. On the other, Aetna, a powerhouse with nationwide reach and innovative offerings. Let's leave marketing claims behind and dive into what actually matters to real people. We'll break things down category by category, each earning points. By the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top, and trust me, the winner might surprise you. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be comparing. Monthly premiums, how big and strong their provider networks are, the vibe on customer service, what kind of extra benefits you actually get, and finally, how flexible their plans are. Got that all in mind? Cool, let's go through each one at a time. So first up, let's talk about monthly premiums. Humana, honestly, this is one of their best features. They usually have lower premiums on Medicare Advantage plans, which a lot of people are searching for these days. And oh, you sometimes get extras like fitness memberships baked in, which is pretty sweet. Only catch, the price can totally shift depending on your region or the exact plan. Now looking at Aetna, so they're pretty competitive if you're getting your insurance through an employer, not gonna lie. And yeah, it's a big but some of their standalone Medicare plans can run pricier. So for this round, Humana just edges it out with a better deal for most people. Alright, switching gears, let's get into provider networks. Humana, they have a really solid network, especially if you're doing Medicare, but I won't lie, for commercial insurance in some areas it's not always as strong. Now Aetna, oh, and here's something cool, they've got this massive national network, like truly coast to coast, which is great if you travel or need coverage in different states. There are some local weak spots depending on the plan, but overall, Aetna clearly wins when you want lots of choices. Next, let's chat about customer service. Humana is actually really good here. Members rave about the support team, especially for Medicare folks. You even get dedicated advocates, so it feels a little more personal, you know. The only thing to watch for is that during big enrollment rushes you might run into wait times. Aetna, on the other hand, has solid apps and online tools. It's like super convenient, and if you love doing everything digital, that's a big plus. That said, their responsiveness is a bit up and down depending on who you ask, so I'd say Humana has the edge here for actual support quality. Quick fun fact break, did you know both Humana and Aetna have been in the healthcare game for over 100 years? Wild, right? They've been shaping health coverage pretty much since the early 1900s. Let's talk extra benefits, because who doesn't want more, right? Humana is pretty generous here. Dental, vision, hearing, even gym memberships with the Silver Sneakers program. It's kind of a whole package deal, although some of these goodies don't come with every single plan or everywhere you live. Meanwhile, Aetna definitely rolls out wellness discounts and their telehealth access is super broad, which I know is important to a lot of people now. But if you're looking for fitness perks, yeah, Humana does it bigger, so Humana takes this one. Finally, plan flexibility. Humana's got solid options for Medicare, sure, but honestly, if you're in the workforce or have a family, there's just not as much variety on the employer side. Now, Aetna. They're all about giving you choices, commercial, Medicaid, Medicare, you name it. Only thing is, some of their plans ask for referrals, which can be a bit of a headache. But overall, you want options, you go Aetna. They win it in this round. Okay, let's zoom out and look at how these two giants perform across all the categories we just talked through: premiums, network, service, extras, and flexibility. It's not a total blowout either way, both have some standout strengths, but you can really see where each one shines. So here's my overall take. If you're retired or just really want those Medicare extras with a side of super responsive member support, Humana is going to feel almost tailor-made for you. But if you're after more flexibility, nationwide coverage, or you just need something that's great for a family, or you move around a lot, Aetna has a lot going for it. There's a reason people keep coming back to these two. Think about what matters most for you. If this comparison helped you sort things out, stick around and follow for more updates. I've got plenty more on health plans and how to make them actually work for you.